The Wismee Sfx Makeup Kit WB001 is a highly pigmented, oil-based face paint palette that comes in a variety of bright rainbow and dark colors, making it suitable for both professionals and beginners. It boasts a creamy texture that flawlessly covers the skin, and it is easy to spread, allowing users to control the thickness of their application. The kit also includes a versatile synthetic skin wax that is a great substitute for traditional modeling wax, as it is more pliable and enables finer details. This skin wax is ideal for smoothing the edges of prosthetic pieces, blocking out eyebrows, or adding features to characters for performances. The Wismee Sfx Makeup Kit is hypoallergenic and non-toxic, having passed the hygienic standard for cosmetics, making it safe for all ages. Ideal for various occasions such as Halloween, fancy parties, and festivals, this kit enables users to create a wide range of fancy makeup effects, from cuts and wounds to bruises and burns.